Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have the top deals for CVS next week starting the 3rd of May through the 9th of May. So some states are, and there is a dog barking like crazy outside, but there are some states that are lessening their restrictions on what we can do to go out. So I thought, why not present some deals? And then of course, as always, if you do not feel safe or you do not feel it is necessary, that is okay. Do not feel pressured to go outside and do any of these deals. Without further ado though, let's talk about the deals. So this week we have a very nice instant coupon that we will be getting, and I will provide a scenario for that at the end of the video, the last scenario. There is another scenario for some razor refills. If you have this certain CRT, it will be a phenomenal deal. So yeah, let's jump into the scenarios. So the first deal I have is definitely, I think, an essential item. If you are still just working with getting essentials, it is for the Lucerna. They are buy 2, get a $5 extra buck with a limit of 1. So you're going to buy 2 of those mini treats. They are $5.79 a piece. And then we have a 5 off of 2 Lucerna coupon coming out in the 5.3 Smart Source. This does not include any type of a CRT. So if you have a CRT, then of course that would be an even better deal, even if you just have $1 or $2 off of that's a CRT. This would just be such a good deal. But I don't know of any CRTs as of right now at the time of making this. So you're going to pay $6.58, and then you'll get back a $5 extra buck, making it just $1.58 for both of them, or 79 cents a piece. Now, sometimes I'll get a 3 off of 2 Lucerna coupon, CRT, excuse me, and then I can use it with this, and it would be a great little money maker. But as of right now, this will be the deal. And then, of course, if there's a CRT, I will put it in an updated version on Sunday. So I do a unadvertised deals and an updated deals usually on Sunday mornings or late Saturday night. So if there's any type of information that's updated, I will put it in that video for you. Next is some Poise pads. Now these are the 11 count to the 28 count. They're buy 1, get a $2 extra buck. Now they are on sale for $5.99, and these are great to use just as regular pads if you need pads. So I usually do these type of deals. So anyways, we're going to buy 1, of course, at $5.99, and I just put a 12 count box up for you. And then I think the higher the count is, the thinner the pad. But anyways, we're going to get a $3 off CVS digital coupon that we can send to our account. We'll pay $2.99, and then of course we'll get back a $2 extra buck. And then that'll make our final cost just 99 cents. Now if you don't need pads, these are great to donate because a lot of women that do have incontinence problems, then they like to use these. So because that's originally what they're for. So a pad, tampons, or liner CRT will not work on these type of pads. Just so you know, I want to make that perfectly clear. You would need an adult incontinence CRT to use with that deal. Next is the L'Oreal Elvive. Now these are buy 2, get a $4 extra buck this week. And if you did not do the deal for the 26th through the 2nd of May, then you can do it this week through the 3rd through the 9th, sorry. And if you have the digital coupon clipped to your account, you can also use the paper coupon with that because that glitches together oftentimes. Now, I'm not saying 100% that it will glitch again on Sunday the 3rd, but if you get an additional $3 off of your order, that's why. So anyways, you're going to use that 3 off of 2 coupon from the 4/26 Retail Me Not. These are also 2 for $8. Now this will count for beauty, so you're going to pay $5 and get back a $4 extra buck, making it just $1 for both of them, or 50 cents a piece. Now I did include this separately because this would work in the spend 30 save 10 instant coupon deal. But if you don't want to do that, I wanted to put this separately, you know, just in case you're interested in that by itself. So the next deal is for the Aleve. The Aleve is for the 40 count to the 270 count bottles. Now this is a spend deal, and I would suggest doing this in store and not online, just because spend deals for most people that I've seen have been a nightmare. So if you do this deal, do it in the store. It is a spend at 20, get an $8 extra buck with a limit of 1. They're buy one, get one 50% off. Now you're going to want to pick up 3 bottles of the Aleve. They are the 40 count bottles. They are $8.49 a piece at my store. 2 of them will be $8.49. One of them will be for $4.25. Now with the coupon amount, I did make a mistake here. It is supposed to be a $4 off coupon in the 5.3 Smart Source. Now this may be regional, but if you don't receive this coupon in your region, I do apologize. But if you do get it, this is a really good deal. So then without any pain relief CRTs, you're going to pay it $9.23. You'll get back $8 in extra bucks, making it just $1.23 for 3 of them, or 41 cents a piece. Now, if you get a 3 off 12 pain relief CRT, then this would be an even better deal. I don't have one, but a lot of times when we get this type of deal, I typically get a pain relief CRT because I normally do this deal when it comes around. So if you get a pain relief CRT, definitely jump on this deal, because if you can get Aleve for free, that's where it's at in couponing, is getting this type of stuff for free. So then the next deal is on some razors. Now this is the Schick men's razors and refills, the 4 to 12 count packages. They are buy 2, get a $10 extra buck with a limit of 1. Now this type of scenario, this could be done a lot of different ways, but these are the CRTs that I know and that I have. So I thought if you have something similar, then it could work for you too. So you're going to want to pick up a Hydro Sense 5 or a Hydro 5 Sense, whatever they're called, one of those things. You're going to pick up one of those for $15.99 each. Then you're going to pick up an Extreme 5 Pivot Ball Razor Refill. I chose that one because it was cheap. But you can just pick whatever one, but I just chose it because of the price point. And then you're going to use 2 $3 off 1 Schick razors or refills coupon from the 426 Smart Source. Then I have a $7 off Schick Hydro Sense 5 refill CRT. That's massive. And then I'm going to use a 3 off 12 razor CRT that I have as well. So then I would just pay $8.98 out of pocket. I would get back a $10 extra buck, making it free, and a $1.02 moneymaker. Now I know personally for me, the reason why I picked the refills, 1, because of that CRT, but 2, I have a ton, and I mean a ton, of men's Hydro 5 razors, but the starter kit with the handle, no refills. So I kind of need some refills. It would be nice to go with those anyways. So yes, this would be a nice moneymaker, and if you have anything similar to these CRTs, I would suggest doing this deal. Next is for some Maybelline, and the Maybelline is buy 2, get 5, and it will be included in that deal where you spend 30, get 10. So this is just another one that you could throw in there, but I do have a separate scenario at the end. So these are buy 2, get 5 with a limit of 3. And so you're going to want to pick up one of the Maybelline Fit Me blushes at $5.99 each. Then you're going to pick up a Maybelline mascara at $6.99 each. Then you're going to use a $2 off face product coupon and a $2 off mascara product coupon from both from the 5.3 Retail Me Not. Then if you still have that $5 off Maybelline or Almay CRT printed from the 26th through the 2nd, you can use that as well, and you can also use that in the 10 off 30 instant coupon. Then you would pay $3.98 and get back a $5 extra buck, making it free and a $1.02 moneymaker. Now the reason why you can use that with the 10 off 30 instant coupon is because there is no threshold for that coupon. So that would also be a great deal. Next is the Boost Nutrition Drink. I try to include this every time it comes up because it is such a need for people and it is extremely expensive. So these are buy 4, get an $8 extra buck with a limit of 1. You're going to pick up 4 of these, of course, at $7.99 a piece. Some prices may vary a little bit, or stores may vary a little bit. You're going to use a 5 off of 2 Boost CRT. Oh, sorry. You're going to use a $5 off of 2 Boost coupon from the 5-3 Retail Me Not. Then you're going to use a 4 off of 4 Boost CRT. If you buy Boost regularly, you will most likely have this type of CRT in your arsenal, or you would get it on Sunday. So then that would bring your total down to $17.96 out of pocket, but you'll get back an $8 extra buck, making the cost for 4 of these just $9.96. or $2.49 a piece. And that's a crazy good deal. So good. And yeah, $2.49 for these when they're originally $8 to $10 a pack. There you go, guys. Now is the 10 off of 30 hair care scenario. The reason why I put this in this video is because the deal that I have here for you is a good size moneymaker. So what you're going to do with this deal, you won't be able to use say a 3 off of 15 hair care CRT. You won't be able to use a coupon like that with this deal. But if you have, say, a 2 off of 2 L'Oreal Elvive CRT, or a $3 off L'Oreal hair care CRT, something like that you can use with it. But anyways, I don't have anything like that included in this scenario, but I did want to let you know that if you do have something like a 4 off 18 hair care CRT, you cannot use it with that, okay? But if you have any questions, just let me know down below and I will answer them for you. So what you're going to do is you're going to buy 2 of the L'Oreal Elvive. Those are $4 a piece. And then you're going to buy 2 of the whole blends at $3.50 a piece. And then you're also going to buy 2 of the L'Oreal Everpures at $7.50 a piece. And that will equal $30 right there. So then you're going to use some coupons. You're going to use a 3 off 2 L'Oreal Elvive coupon. You're going to use a 3 off 2 whole blends coupon. And then you're going to use a 5 off 2 L'Oreal Everpure coupon. And they all come from the 426 Retail Me Not. Then you're also going to hand over that spend 30 or $10 off of 30 instant coupon that will print for everybody. And it is for L'Oreal, Maybelline, or Garnier. So this is just one combination that you can do. This is one that I'm going to do. So anyways, you're going to do that, and then in the next slide it'll tell you, I'm just going to finish the breakdown, just too much information on one page. So then what you're going to do after that, your total will be $9 and you'll pay that out of pocket. But then you'll get back $4 for the Elvive, you'll get back $2 for the whole blends, and you'll get back $5 for the Everpure. But since you're spending $30 on beauty items, because hair care counts for beauty, you'll get back a $3 extra buck, which is considered a beauty buck. That's what BB stands for, after 48 hours. So then your final cost for all of those items will be free and a $5 moneymaker. And that's huge, guys. That is huge. So I'm definitely going to do this deal the upcoming week. But like I said, if you have, say, a $2 off of whole blends or $3 off of L'Oreal, and they either specify a quantity or no quantity, then you can use them in conjunction with the spend 30, save $10 instant coupon. So I hope that was helpful, and I hope I explained that clearly enough for you. So I just want to thank you so much for watching, and I hope everyone has a great day. And so yes, definitely stay safe, stay healthy, and stay kind to one another out there, guys. It's tough right now. Have a good day. Bye.